how can you earn the love? How can you know that you earn the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Very good question. The taha will become easy. Obedience of Allah will become easy. You may commit a sin, you will be swift in repentance to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In fact, that sin will seem to be so bitter to you. You will start crying over the fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah will ease up things for you. You will see things will become so easy for you, subhanAllah. Everywhere you go, you'll see blessings from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The sign of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is love. There's so many signs. When you love someone, you prove to that person that you love him. Love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You know, I can tell you, honey tastes good, honey is sweet, but the day and only day when you taste that honey, then you can really understand the sweetness of it and really understand that tayba, you know, that taste of it. I can tell you, love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Try to come close to Him subhanahu wa ta'ala. Try to obey His commands subhanahu wa ta'ala. Try to mimic the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Try to revive Rasulullah. Try to pray at night. Try to make dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Things that we talked about. Try to read the Quran. All the stuff that we talked about. And then and only then you shall feel this ridwan of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's something sweet. It's a feeling. It's a heart. It's a feeling. You can only taste it or you can only feel it once you taste it, inshaAllah ta'ala.